Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Tucson tire. First, ensure your safety by pulling over to a flat, stable area away from moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Gather your essential tools: the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the trunk or under the cargo floor. Before lifting, place wheel wedges behind the tire diagonally opposite the flat one to prevent rolling. Carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, near the flat tire, at the designated jack point. Slowly raise the vehicle using the jack until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the vehicle lifted, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts by turning them counterclockwise. Once loose, remove all the lug nuts completely and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Now, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and push it firmly onto the hub, ensuring it sits flush. Once the spare tire is on, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. Then, slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground. With the vehicle fully down, use the lug wrench to tighten all lug nuts firmly in a star pattern. Check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to a service center for a permanent repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.